Welcome to Small Crowd. England is taking on Ireland on 1st of August in Southampton. Small Crowd team provides in-depth analysis for players and provides information to create fantasy team. We can expect AGS bowl pitch to get slower in this match. They are using the same pitch used in first day one day international. England will get plenty of runs today. Temperature could be warm and pleasant for the entire game. Batsmen could get trouble to get runs in the second innings. McCarthy was injured, expecting Josh Little to take his place, and there could be a chance Ray's top play to play in this game, and he is in good form too. Johnny Bastow had 100 plus runs in the warm-up game and losing his form for last two games. He could get some runs today to take off the pressure and get his form back. Sam Billings. He adapted the pitch and weather very well. He is in top form. He will get some runs even today. The predicted runs is 30 to 49 runs. Jason Roy. He is not in good form in last couple of games, but he has an ability to get his form back at any time. Predicted run is 20 to 29 runs today. Ian Morgan, top class batsman in top class form. He will be high watching if England bats first. His predicted runs is 30 to 49 runs today. James Vince, informed player, informed batsman. His recent form shows he is in good form. He will get more runs if he keeps the momentum today. Tom Bottom, he is not in good form, but the pitch and weather helps him to get some runs today. He is predicted to 0 to 19 runs today. Moeen Ali, he will be good chance to get his form back if England bats well. The slower condition helps him to bowl well today. The predicted runs is 20 to 29 runs today. Tom Curran, he is coming to his form slowly and getting wickets in regular intervals. He is an ability to take one or two wickets today in this match. Liam Dawson. He may be in bench today, but he is a perfect all-rounder and waits for his opportunity to show his bowling skill. He is an ability to take one or two wickets. Livingstone. He may be in a bench today. He will be a very good record in this pitch, but unexpectedly he will not be in probable 11. Is expected to get one or two wickets. Adil Rashid. Today could be his day if England bats first. He is in good economy and ability to take many wickets. He is predicted to one or two wickets today. David Willey, star of first ODI and keep this momentum in this match also. He is expected to take much wicket if Ireland bats first. Shahib Mohammed. He may be a bench today, but he is in average form, expecting to keep the same momentum if he plays today. Since top play is expecting to play Reece Topley. He will be a good punt if he plays today. He is in a good form and takes wicket in regular interval. In his last 10 game, he takes wicket in all the matches. Tucker. He is not in good form, but the pitch and weather will give him opportunity to show his skill. He may be a good punt today. Kevin O'Brien. He adapted the pitch and weather very well. Expected a good day for him. He will get plenty of runs if he adapt the situation and pitch well today. Paul String. He needs luck. Informed player struggles in between to get runs. He is losing a form slowly, but the pitch and weather helps him to get some runs. William Porterfield. Top class form in recent matches. He will be a star player if he plays today. He is expected to get some runs since weather and pitch expected to him. Andy Balberin is not in a good form, but he adapted the pitch in last couple of match in the South pattern. The pitch and weather helps him to get some runs on the board. Harry Tactor. Recently, he was in very good form. Top class batsman in top class form. He will be a high watching if Ireland bats first. He maybe get 30 to 40 runs today. Simi Singh. He could have bowled much better to take his team to be a good position. His hitting ability to get some runs in the board as well. Darren Gareth Delaney. He is coming to his form slowly and will get some runs on the board as like first ODI. He is expected to take 20 to 30 runs today. Curtis Camper, top class batsman in top class form. His recent 10 matches, he was very good to take runs as well as the wicket. He will be high watching today also. Dodge Drackwell. He is a decent bowler and a batsman, but expected to be in bench today. He will be predicted to 0 to 19 runs today. Andy McBride, in-form bowler. He is a star player. He will get wicket even today. Last 10 matches, he is averaging 30 to 49 runs and 1 or 2 wickets in the game. He is expected to well again. Greg Young. He is having a perfect length and ability to get wicket. Last 10 matches, he is in good form and takes wickets in the regular intervals. He may be a good punt today. Peter Chase. He is a decent bowler and expected to be in bench today. His recent form was not good. Josh Little. He isn't playing 11 today since McCarthy was injured and expected to bowl decently. Last couple of matches he was not good in form. He needs to get his form soon. England will get plenty of runs if they batted first. Especially anyone from the top order, middle order will get plenty of runs today if they batted first. The combination for top order, middle order given based on the pitch, ground and form of the player. It is useful to create the team for the fantasy side. Expecting middle order and top order will get plenty of runs again. There could be a chance to get 100 plus runs by any player since the pitch will be expected to be slow. Jason Roy or Bairstow will be a star today if England bats first. Vince Morgan to expected to get runs. McBride and Simi Singh will have to bowl much better while Gareth will need more runs to get Ireland in better position. Moeen Ali, Adil Rashid and Willie will take some wickets. Fantasy team is created based on the algorithm used by the small crowd team. Please use this as an information and build your own fantasy team. Thank you.